Here is a beginner-level IT manager quiz that covers team leadership, digital transformation and innovation, and IT strategy and planning. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is a key trait of an effective IT team leader? A. Delegating without follow-up. B. Encouraging collaboration and communication. C. Avoiding conflict resolution. And D. Focusing only on technical tasks. Answer: encouraging collaboration and communication. Question 2. What is the primary goal of team-building activities in IT teams? A. Increasing overtime hours. B. Reducing team sizes. C. Improving team cohesion and trust. And D. Avoiding management responsibilities. Answer: improving team cohesion and trust. Question 3. Which leadership style involves empowering the team to make decisions and promoting shared responsibility? A. Autocratic. B. Laissez-faire. C. Transactional. And D. Transformational. Answer: transformational. Question 4. Which of the following can help retain IT talent in a competitive environment? A. Career development opportunities. B. Lack of recognition. C. Minimal communication. And D. Strict micromanagement. Answer: career development opportunities. Question 5. A good IT manager should provide feedback that is A. Frequent, clear and constructive. B. Delayed and generic. C. Focused only on negatives. And D. Only during performance reviews. Answer: frequent, clear and constructive. Question 6. Which of the following is a key enabler of digital transformation? A. Cloud computing. B. Manual reporting. C. Offline documentation. And D. Paper-based workflows. Answer: cloud computing. Question 7. What is the role of AI in digital innovation? A. Replacing all human workers. B. Automating repetitive tasks and improving decision-making. C. Disrupting data privacy. And D. Slowing down performance. Answer: automating repetitive tasks and improving decision-making. Question 8. Which term describes technology adoption that improves customer experiences and business processes? A. Digital breakdown. B. Digital expansion. C. Digital transformation. And D. IT overload. Answer: digital transformation. Question 9. An example of disruptive innovation in IT is A. Launching a new fax machine. B. Outsourcing payroll manually. C. Using old software with new hardware. And D. Creating a cloud-based CRM that replaces desktop systems. Answer: creating a cloud-based CRM that replaces desktop systems. Question 10. Which emerging technology is known for creating decentralized, secure data ledgers? A. AI. B. Blockchain. C. Machine learning. And D. Virtual reality. Answer: blockchain. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. The purpose of IT strategy is to A. Reduce project documentation, B. Focus only on hardware, C. Align IT initiatives with business goals, and D. Avoid long-term planning. Answer: align IT initiatives with business goals. Question 12. Which of the following is a critical component of IT planning? A. Creating a technology roadmap, B. Ignoring stakeholder needs, C. Reducing budgets without analysis, and D. Managing only current tasks. Answer: creating a technology roadmap. Question 13. A strategic IT plan should include A. Vendor contracts only, B. Short-term fixes for tech issues, C. Vision, goals and initiatives to support business value, and D. Replacement of all legacy systems. Answer: vision, goals and initiatives to support business value. Question 14. Who is typically involved in IT strategic planning? A. Only developers, B. IT managers and business leadership, C. External auditors only, and D. Junior support staff. Answer: IT managers and business leadership. Question 15. Which tool helps align IT resources with the organization's long-term vision? A. Code repository, B. Help desk ticketing tool, C. Firewall, and D. IT strategy map. Answer: IT strategy map. Question 16. What is one major benefit of having a clear IT strategy? A. Reduces the need for training, B. Encourages reactive problem solving, C. Ensures IT investments support business outcomes, and D. Makes budgeting obsolete. Answer: ensures IT investments support business outcomes. Question 17. The process of evaluating IT systems to identify innovation opportunities is known as A. ET retirement, B. Digital strategy review, C. Legacy system management, and D. Cybersecurity audit. Answer: digital strategy review. Question 18. What should be regularly monitored to measure IT strategy success? A. Social media likes, B. User complaints only, C. Key performance indicators, KPIs, and D. Number of software installations. Answer: key performance indicators, KPIs. Question 19. Which statement is true about strategic alignment in IT? A. It must support business goals through strategic alignment. B. Business goals should be adjusted to fit IT capabilities. C. IT should function independently from business units. And D. Strategic alignment reduces innovation. Answer: it must support business goals through strategic alignment. Question 20. Why is flexibility important in IT strategic planning? A. To delay projects, B. To easily ignore changes in technology, C. To adapt quickly to emerging business needs and technologies, and D. To avoid risk management. Answer: to adapt quickly to emerging business needs and technologies. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.